Hi everyone, welcome to Ru's Kitchen and Garden. This is Anay, as you
Hello.
all know. He's at home because he's got Chinese New Year holiday. So we decided we will bake a cake. Anay wanted a chocolate cake and his daddy wanted an orange cake. So we decided instead of making two cakes and eating so much unhealthy food, the flavor of the season is orange because, as we all know, in Chinese New Year we distribute oranges. So we thought we'll combine both those cakes together and we will make an orange bundt cake with chocolate ganache. Right? So it's special because, of course, it's Chinese New Year celebration cake, and also Anna is going to make the cake under my supervision, of course, and help from Marivik, of course. But yeah, let's see how we mix it. Prepared?
Kinda, yeah.
Good. Let's see.
I'll try my best.
So yeah, Anna is quickly washing his hands nicely. So we'll start with the ingredients, Anna.
Okay, so
This is 2.5 cups of
flour.
all-purpose flour. Then we have some salt here, which is 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder. Then we have 1 3/4 cups of sugar, granulated sugar.
That's this one.
Yes, that's right. Then we have 1 cup of unsalted butter, which is softened, which Auntie Marivik is cutting there for us.
Yeah.
Then we have 2 tablespoons of grated orange zest.
This is this one.
Yes, and 1 teaspoon of grated lemon zest.
Both in mixed.
The lemon is from our tree, right, Anay?
Yep. Upstairs.
Then we have half cup of freshly squeezed orange juice. So this is like half cup, 60 ml, or like 2 oranges. Then we have 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Yeah. Then we have 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract.
Yet to go in the measurement. but-
Yes, so this is, yes. I'm not taking it out because then there's wastage. So this is 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And then we have 6 large eggs which are room temperature. Yeah?
Yep.
We've washed and kept them. And we have 1 cup of whole fat, plain Greek yogurt. And it is, everything here is at room temperature. Right, Anay? Can you also show them the bundt pan that we're going to use?
Okay, so this is the one
Yeah,
pan.
so this is the bundt pan and we need to grease it completely with butter and we need to put flour in it. Yeah?
Yep.
So first we'll have to mix the orange and the lemon zest with the sugar here, Anay, with your fingertips. Yeah, so nice flavor comes. The texture, put everything inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So the texture should be like sand. So yeah.
Wet sand.
Yes, nicely mix everything. Take everything from that bowl and mix it in all of the sugar. You can leave that bowl aside.
Yep.
So this is the texture that we have, like sand. Nice. Now Anay, in this medium bowl which has got your all-purpose flour, you add your salt. Add it nicely, fully. Yes, good job. Add your baking soda. Add your baking powder. Everything goes, okay, because we've measured everything, so nothing remains in the bowl.
Yep.
Everything in the big bowl. Okay, and now you just whisk it together gently. Yeah, mix it all together gently. Good. Full top to bottom mix it.
Yep.
So now we put the sugar with all the
It's orange zest
zest.
and lemon
Yes,
zest.
thank you very much. Now we'll add the butter and we'll get it mixed first. Okay. So first it's going to be low speed. Then you add the butter. This is 1 cup softened butter. So now next step is going to be the vanilla essence. It's 1 teaspoon. Oh, that's good. Because we have lot of eggs, right? 6 eggs is a lot.
Yeah.
So it's going to smell eggy. That's why this is 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and then also the zests. Okay?
Yep.
I'm going to add this juice in it. This is orange juice. And this is lemon juice, sorry. And we As you know, I'm not very good with adding eggs while it's working, so I'm going to break the egg and add it. Put it back down and start it. If you're like me, please do it one at a time carefully. Now all the eggs are added inside, and we are going to mix it, and we are also going to scrape the bowl in between, so everything gets mixed well.
Scraping the bowl.
Now all the eggs are mixed inside, so now you should start adding the flour, 1 spoon at a time, and even the yogurt 1 spoon at a time. And right now it's at medium high. So it is 3 additions of flour. So make sure that your spoon is big, and keep scraping the sides all the time.
With the
So I'm
spatula.
going to scrape the sides. Stop and scrape. You don't want any mishaps. If you're very, very professional and you do it all the time, you can manage to do it even when the machine is running. But for amateurs like me or us, just do it. This yogurt is smelling so good, so tasty.
And this dough is forming well. So this is rubbing the butter on the pan. Cool.
So now you see how the look of the batter is and everything. I'm going to give it one last clean up, and I'm going to run it one last time. You don't have to overbeat this also. Okay?
Let's just put flour in the pan.
So now you have to pour the batter in the nicely greased and floured pan. Yeah. Yeah. Now Anay, we are going to tap it. Yeah. That's it. This removes the air bubbles. Yeah. And now we are putting it in the oven nicely in the center. Okay. And close it. And it's 165. It is 165 degrees for 55 to 65 minutes, meaning 1 hour 5 minutes. So yeah, let it bake now. Okay, now we are making the chocolate glaze, right Anay? So for the chocolate glaze, we are going to take 115 grams or 4 ounces of bittersweet chocolate. You have to finely chop this though, okay? And we'll also take heavy cream, which is 120 ml, again 4 ounces only. And optional is we don't have pure orange essence, so we are going to use orange blossom water. It might ruin the cake also, so we are going to put like very very less, so you all should do that. But if you all have orange extract, again optional, then you can put half a teaspoon of that, right? So let's start with our chocolate ganache.
Here.
So now Anay is slicing the chocolate. He's chopping it very fine actually. So 55 minutes, and I just put a toothpick inside it. Here. Where is it? Yeah. And it came out clean. So now we're going to take it out of the oven. Let it cool down completely, and then we'll transfer it. Let me just show you once again if the toothpick is coming out clean. Yeah, it's clean. Now we put the chocolate pieces in the microwave, and we'll do it 20 seconds on and off and check. Yeah, 20 seconds are up. Checking if it's melting. No. Again for 20 seconds. Taking it up a bit so the bottom comes up. Yeah, it's nicely melted. Now we'll add the cream to it. Just cool it a bit so that the cream doesn't tear, and then add the cream. Just adding the cream and mixing it nicely. And mix it nicely so it's nicely incorporated. And you have to mix it till it starts like becoming smooth and shiny, which I think it's become shiny. Now I have tilted this over a what do I call it, a stand, a grill, and I'm still hot, so I'm not going to do anything, but I'm just trying to see if I can take it out. So we slowly gently lift the bundt pan up. Yep, it's come out. So here our bundt cake is completely ready, but it's still hot, and my ganache is also ready, but I'm not going to pour the ganache on the hot cake. So we'll let it cool down and then we'll pour the ganache. So every time you stop, or every time this mixture, the glaze, is sitting still, it starts to separate. So mix it again, no problem, and then just pour it over your cake, cooled cake. Actually it should be more flowy. Just pour this over your cake. So this was the orange bundt cake with chocolate glaze. The glaze didn't turn out very great. It's actually lumpy. When I mixed it initially, it looked very nice, like glossy and soft. I would think that it started tearing, and hence the result is this, but at least the cake turned out good and it's not tasting bad, and the attempt was successful. Next time we'll work on the glaze, but here's the cake. I'll show you. It really looks nice. So that's our orange bundt cake with our chocolate glaze.